Standard 7 Subject Sign. In our previous video, we had completed our chapter number 1, that is the living world, adaptation and classification. Hope you all have understood it very well. In this video, we are going to study the number 2, that is plants, structure and function, part 1. Parts of plant: the root, stem, leaves, flower, fruits, etc. of different plant are different. We can identify the plant with the help of this different characteristic, and this different characteristic we are going to learn in detail. The topic are formation of roots, roots and parts of roots, types of root, stem, parts of stem, function of stem. Formation of root. Before going to the topic, let us see some important concept related to it. What is radicle? The part that grow from inside the seeds toward the soil is called as a radicle. Radicle is the future root. Radicle is the first part of a seedling to emerge from the seed during the process of germination. That means radicle is a future roots that grows from inside the seeds towards the soil. Plumule. Plumule is the future stem and leaves. The part that grows above the soil is called as a plumule, the primary bud of a plant. Roots. The root that form from the radicle grow into the ground. The root is thick near the ground and gradually taper to a pointed end. The part of plant growing below the soil for support is called as a roots. Root are the organ of a plant. It lies below the surface of the soil. Root can be aerial or aerating. Parts of root. Radicle. Radicle is a part that grow from inside the seeds. Radicle grow under the soil. Plumule is a part that grow above the soil as the seed germinate. It grows above the soil. That means radicles grow under the soil. Plumule grows above the soil. Taproot. Taproot is thicker at the base. It tapers toward the end. Taproot produce secondary root. Secondary roots grow obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Taproot supports the plant. Root hair. Hair-like processes near the root tip are called root hair. Root cap. In the region of the growth of root, the tip is covered by the cap-like structure. This is the root cap which protect the root tip from injuries. That means root cap protect the root tip from injuries. Fibrous root and taproot. Threaded like or fiber like root arising from the stem are called as a fibrous root. Fibrous root system is opposite of taproot system. It is usually formed by the thin, moderately branching root growing from the stem. And taproots are the roots of some plants produce secondary roots that grow obliquely and spread far and wide in the soil. Root supports the plant. This type of root is called taproot. Many taproot are modified into storage organs. Difference between taproot and fibrous root. Taproot has only one main and long root, and fibrous root do not have a main root. All the roots are similar. The smaller root that grow from the main root are called as a lateral roots. Taproots grow vertically deep into the soil, and fibrous roots are short and most of them grow horizontally into the soil. Taproots grow vertically into the soil and fibrous roots grow horizontally into the soil. Taproot are found in a plant which had reticulate venation in their leaves, and fibrous roots are found in plant which has a parallel venation in leaves. Means taproot has a reticular venation in the leaves and fibrous root has a parallel venation in the leaves. Example of fibrous roots are grass and onion. Example of taproots are carrot and radish. Advantageous roots. Some roots are under the ground where some grows from the stem above the soil. The latter are called advantageous roots. Modified roots. Besides the normal function like absorption of water and mineral, anchoring and supporting the plants, root performs some other function too. Roots show some modification to perform this additional function. Some example of such modified roots are aerial root, slits root, runner roots, breathing root or new metaphor, etc. Prop root. Root emerging from the trunk and branches of the tree grow towards the soil. These roots are called prop root. Prop root are seen in banyan tree. This root arise from the branches and grow towards the soil. In Kolkata, a 250-year-old banyan tree in the Indian Botanical Garden covers a very large area. It is supported by thousands of prop root. Next here is a experiment we can see. Take some water in a small glass jar. Put a plant, let in it in such a way that its roots are dipped in the water. Mark the water level on the jar and add 5 ml of oil to the water and record the water level on the next day. So what do you will observe? See, we have to take a small glass jar and we have to let the plant in such a way that the roots are dipped into the water and we have to mark the level of water and we have to add 5 ml of oil to the water and on the next day we have to record the water level. So what will you observe? As we see, the water level has come down. Now why is this so? Because oil is lighter than water, so it just float on water. Now why oil is put on the water? Because the water does not get evaporated by evaporation. The water should not get evaporated by the evaporation, but still after a few days what we will observe, the level of water has gone down. Now this is because the plant's roots absorb the water from the jar and supply water to different parts of plant. Means the roots absorb the water and it supply water to different parts of plants. Stem. The stem helps the plant that grow above the ground to stand upright. The stem gives support to the branches and leaves. The stem grows above the soil from the plumule of the sprouting seeds. As the sprouts grow, the length of stems gradually increases to nodes. Nodes means the leaves coming out at the nodes on the stem. Internode means the part of stem between two nodes is called as internode. Bud, the tip and the apical end of the stem is called bud. Important function of stem. Provide framework and structure to a plant which later develop into a tree. Primary function of the stem is to hold up buds, flower, leaves and fruits to the plant along with roots. It is the part which transport water and mineral from the root and prepare food from leaves to the other parts of plant. Stem are the one of the storeroom of plant where the prepared food is stored in the form of starch. So these are the important function of stem. Thank you.